Right, everyone. Hey, everyone. I'm good. Good. Hey, everyone. I am stuck in traffic. This lady's just checking on me to make sure I'm okay. I am broken down. I got my hazard lights on. I have reverse, but watch, I'll show you. I have reverse, but I can't move forward. Engine runs good. Reverse is like great. All right, let me put it in drive. Watch it make me a liar, right? Nope. Barely moving. Almost like a turtle. Barely moving. And sometimes when I put it in drive, it just won't even move at all. It's going kind of up and down. So, oh, there's my son. He's texting me. This is so funny. I have one of my sons who, every time I have a trial, he kicks me in the butt, and it's funny. It is funny how he deals with trials. He's like, next time, don't go out in this winter snowstorm when you know your vehicle breaks down. And I'm like, I just got this fixed. It's not my problem. It was misdiagnosed. So I'm like, you have such a comforting way about you. But honestly, he just like kicks me in the butt every time something happens. And it's funny because it strengthens me. And then I had told someone about my divorce, and then they're like, well, at least you get a break from your husband. I have like people say the funniest things to me during a trial. And it's not the trial, right? It's how you deal with it. So I am sitting here, and my insurance told the tow company like 4 hours. And I'm like, what? 4 hours? And he's like, I'm going to try to get to you quicker. Called the police they're like, are you safe? I was like in the middle of the highway. I'm like, not really. And so they're like, okay, call the police, get them to block the road for you. And so I managed to get over to the side here. I don't know what's going on with this thing. I just had the ignition put in because it was breaking down on me. Had a new ignition, new starter. So now it looks like there's something going on with the transmission. So I gotta sit here for a while and just wait. And I'll be okay. I mean, I've got gas. I'm shutting this off and then just turning it on to stay warm when I need it. And if I can get it to go, I will cancel the tow and, you know, get over to where I want to go today. And then I wanted to get some, you know, I wanted to do plasma. I wanted to get some things done today. And then, you know, I'll tell the tow truck to come later when I'm done my stuff. But, yeah, so definitely need, you know, to have a look at this. And, someone mentioned my windshield can be replaced for free. I don't know how they figure that. It's not like my insurance will take care of it because I only have liability. So, that's what I'm up to today, guys.